Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video for you today sharing with you a back-to-school sub-niche that is starting to trend. And I actually got a bunch of sales yesterday on multiple platforms for this sub-niche. I actually sold 4 shirts yesterday for this niche right here. Let me just show you what the niche is, then I'll get into what I sold yesterday. So the niche, or the sub-niche, is Senior 2023. You can see it right up here. Senior 2023. This is for seniors that are going to be graduating this year. You can see that there's only 662 results, so we're under or my benchmark 1,000. So that's a good sign right there. And you're going to see a lot of designs with BSRs. These designs are already selling. The cool thing about this niche is kind of already a cross niche because you're cross niching senior and the year 2023, but you can even cross this even further. So one way is to cross niche it with like mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, like all the demographics. So like, for example, a proud senior mom, for example, or a proud senior dad. Then you can also do it with any like high school sports. So you can do a senior 2023, cross niche with like volleyball, basketball, football. So here's a good example right here. So you can get pretty creative with this niche. And here is my sales day from yesterday. So this is, I actually had a pretty good day yesterday. You see I had 8 sales, 42 in royalties. And this is the design, and I had 4 sales. Made me 20 bucks. That was pretty cool. I also sold a design on Etsy for the same niche for Senior 2023, and then also on Redbubble I had a really good day. I did like $30 in stickers actually for this niche. So that's the important thing about taking your designs and spreading them out through all different platforms and also all different types of products. You want to be as diverse as possible with your designs to try and make the most money from each design as possible. And let's just go ahead and double check the test to make sure that it is okay to use. So here you're going to see Senior 2023, hit enter. We're going to see that no test records were found. So that's good. And when we look at the competition on Etsy, you're going to see 2,330. So a little more than what I like to usually see. But, if you do a couple things like add free shipping, put your, your listing on sale, that will help bump it up in the rankings. You can also do Etsy ads as well. That will help get you on the first page. If we go to Redbubble, we will see that there's 4,500 results. But if you notice, like all of the first designs are all stickers. That's a good sign right there that, stickers are what are going to be selling really well. And if we go to TeePublic, let's see what we got here. So we can't see how many results there are, but we're going to see that people are selling in this niche. And let's see how many pages. Okay, so a good amount of pages. So that's the niche that I want to share with you today. It's Senior 2023. I have a link in my description for Vexels. It's an affiliate link. But you can go to Vexels, and they got really good graphics. So if you look at a lot of the designs that people are using, on merch, you're going to see a lot of people are using a lot of like graduation hats. You see graduation hats in a lot of these. So you can go to Vexels and you can get your, if you sign up for Vexels, I think it's like 20 or 30 bucks a month, and you can get access to all their graphics to use for your t-shirt designs. All right, so that's the niche for today. It's going to be jamming here in the next month or two. So get your designs up and hopefully you can make some sales. All right, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.